welcome to my channel. I'm a procrastinator, so I like to use crafts to put off the other jobs that I don't enjoy quite so much. So today I want to make a pocket envelope to include in a birthday card, and I'm going to be putting money in there and coin, and there will be a scratch and reveal panel, so it's very quick and easy to make this. So here I'm just sticking down the pocket envelope. I'm using the Crafter's Companion tape, and it's 22 meters long, and I find it really strong and easy for sticking. Easier to use than double-sided tape, and it causes less damage to the card than glue. Just checking now that this, whatever you want to put inside the envelope, will fit. Now this like this technique of doing the scratch and reveal we can use on any cards, but for this I just wanted to make this little one to go inside because I've already got a card that I bought. So this scratch and reveal pack, which is the quirky quotes one, comes with a selection of the peel off panels and also stamps. So I'm going to use this is from Crafter's Companion as well. So here I've got the We Are Memory Keepers all-in-one scoreboard and trimmer, which I wasn't sure about the stamping platform on it because I'd heard bad reviews, but I cut this piece of foam to size, and with that underneath been really happy with the stamping, and you've got size to hold it in place as well as the magnets, so it keeps it secure. I'm just going to choose some stamps now. So this one from the pack lets the person you're giving it to know that there is something to scratch off to reveal a secret message. Then I'll do a little arrow down to where I want to put the message. So I decided to use "You're amazing" as a secret message, but this could be like a present, or like you could be saying it's giving them some kind of gift, such as you're going to buy them a meal, or could be anything underneath really. Okay, just inked up I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink. I find that gives quite a crisp coverage. I don't know what anyone else has found about the We Are Memory Keepers all-in-one tool. Found it quite useful having them all together. Right, just gonna do another go over the ink a little bit, because there was some bits that weren't quite as sharp as I would like, but the magnets make sure it stamps in exactly the same place. Okay. I'm going to get the scratch panel. So these are actually, they come in the pack. You've got a selection of gold, silver and road gold. I'm going to use gold today to match the little bits of gold on the envelope. I'm just going to find one that fits over the stamp. So this one fits over that stamp, and it's just a peelable sticker, and it just sticks on really easily. And your message, I mean, you don't need to use a stamp, you can just write or draw underneath and then stick that over it, and then all it needs is a coin just to scrape it off like you would a scratch card. So I want to send a little bit of money as well, and add a coin to scratch the panel up. Just tucking it all in the pocket. I mean, this could be attached to a card, or you know, just within a card, but for this I'm just inserting it inside because I've already got this birthday card. Thank you for watching.